name is Stephen King. I'm a lecturer in media at Middlesex University, Dubai. This is a program which combines a whole series of academic and practical techniques to produce a very rich learning experience. Over the course of the 3 years, they'll be looking at things such as smart environments, social media, HTML, and producing content on video and on still image for a variety of different media formats. There'll also be some academic research into the trends of digital media, and we're looking at things such as podcasting, gaming, and location-based technologies. In order to find success on a digital media program, there are no additional academic requirements over and above what you might find on another bachelor's degree program. However, I would strongly recommend that you have an interest and a passion in digital media, and that you find yourself using these very frequently in your daily life. So the whole world now is moving into a digital environment. Every single industry is being touched by digitization. And so by taking a degree in digital media, you are ensuring that you are future-proofed for the career that is available to you when you graduate after 3 years. The jobs that we have today may not be there in 3 years' time, but what can be guaranteed is that those new jobs will all have something to do with the digital environment. Every single job, career, or vocation that you hope to pursue in the future will have an element of digital, and that element will grow over time, and that is just one of the truths of the world that we have in today. Accordingly, taking a digital media program is ensuring that you are investing for the future and to make sure that you'll have success in your life. For more educational videos, please click subscribe, and if you have any thoughts or feedback, please leave it in the comment section below.